Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by installing and signing into Chrome Remote Desktop on both systems. This gives you authenticated access. Once installed, enable remote access on the machine that will share files or request a remote support session from the helper. Make sure you grant Chrome Remote Desktop any file or folder permissions the OS prompts for, because without them, transfers will fail. Also verify both machines are online and not blocked by a VPN or strict firewall, since connectivity is required before you attempt any file movement. Once connected, find the File Transfer tool in the Session toolbar. This is the safest route for larger files. If the toolbar lacks it, use Copy on the host and Paste on the client, but be aware clipboard size limits. You can also drag and drop between the remote desktop window and your local file manager when supported. This creates a direct transfer stream. Make sure you select the correct destination folder on the receiving machine and respond to overwrite prompts thoughtfully to avoid accidental data loss. To finish, verify transferred files open correctly and match expected sizes or modification dates, because a visible file does not guarantee integrity. If a transfer stalls or fails, retry with smaller groups of files or compress them into one archive to reduce overhead. Make sure both Chrome and the Chrome Remote Desktop extension are current, and check local firewalls or antivirus software for blocked connections. If problems persist, consider a cloud link or SFTP as a fallback, then disconnect the session when done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.